guys, today I'm going to be jacking this car up. Actually I'm starting really early. Now it's 6:50 a.m. That's right, 6:50 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, I'm just going to jack it up, remove the wheels, the front wheel, to check the CV axle, the ball joint and stuff like that. See if there's anything need to get changed. Just like a regular routine maintenance check, I guess. Alright. Jack's done. Hey guys, you got the wheel removed there. That's the passenger side there. Got the driver side here removed as well. You see the inside of the rim, the inner part of the rim. See how black is it? That's all grease. I usually clean this here, and then a couple of weeks after I get like that. So, which means the CV axle is no good. See all that? Hold on. This is the driver's side. See all that grease there on the caliper. Let's go from underneath and see. See that? Got a rip in the booth right there. Let me turn off this light here. So yeah, that's why my rim is getting dirty in the inner part. To get a new CV axle, I'm gonna change both out in the front here. The other side seems okay. I'm not too sure yet. I have to check there. But anyway, I'm gonna change both out. This is the passenger side wheel. It's not that bad. But I'm gonna change out both anyway, to the right and left CV axle. So there's no rip boot or anything. If not, there'll be grease everywhere, like the other side. Let's check the bottom. Doesn't look like it's gonna damage soon. a crack on it there. Yeah, see that? See the crack right here? Which means this one gonna damage soon too. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fasting right now, guys. It's Ramadan month. So, yeah, I start really early just to get in, just to do a checkup, see what's going on underneath here. I'm not gonna do any work really. So eventually, maybe next week or so, when I get the, I have to order the CV axle. So hopefully by next week, it's gonna be a little more tough for me. I have to change it out. I'm gonna be fasting as well. So yeah, driver side here. Yeah, all the ball joint look good on this side as well. Also the bushings, everything is good. No cracked or damage. Caliper is okay. It's not stuck or anything. Rotor is good. First I'm going to remove the upper control arm, change those out as well. Nothing is wrong with them, so still going to remove them one time. Brake pad on this side is still good. Maybe 90% life left on them. Guys, I don't know if I should put back my 2-inch wheel spacer on there. I never have it on this car. I tried on before last year, 2019, but I have a different front bumper. I have it on this car here. They saw the Prelude here before, so with that rim there was on this car over here. So I put one on here on the front, show you guys what it looks like. I don't know what you guys think. So yeah, that was the 2-inch sticking out there. That was the spacer, just the front, not the back. See there? That was one of this on there. So the rim is 10-inch wide. So this is with a regular, with no spacer, just 10-inch. On the passenger side here. The driver's side, see the front one only have it there. So see how much it stick out more. I like it when you stick out there, give it more aggressive look. But the only thing why I removed it back last year, right now if I go and turn the steering wheel, it's not gonna touch nothing. But when I put it back down, when you go back down on the floor, take out the jack and the jack stand, and you turn, it's hitting the inner, this part here from the fender piece there. I don't remember if that's only the back piece it touch. I believe the front has, I don't think they touch the front, or maybe a little. So yeah, you only make maybe 50% turn, and then you started to touch. It's not like 100% all the way. So I don't know. I don't want to cut anything or stuff like that, so I'm not too sure yet. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Think I should put it back?